In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring invoices using app.na2.hubspot.com. This guide will walk you through the entire process, making sure you feel confident and ready to manage your recurring billing with ease. Let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the user guide section of HubSpot. Open your web browser and head over to app.na2.hubspot.com. If you're not logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a range of options at the top of the screen. Look for the User Guide tab. Clicking on this will take you to an extensive repository of information that can be very helpful if you're looking to understand the ins and outs of HubSpot's features. Next, once you're in the User Guide area, it's time to direct your attention to the Commerce section. The User Guide page has various categories, and you'll want to click on Commerce. This area is dedicated to all things related to the financial transactions your business may perform using HubSpot. Now, within the Commerce section, you'll find Invoices as one of the categories. Click on Invoices. This will direct you to a more specific area where all actions related to invoicing can be managed. Here you can see existing invoices and perform a variety of tasks associated with them. You're doing great, so let's move forward. In the Invoices section, you should see a button labeled Create. Click on that button. This is where you'll set up a new invoice. Performing this action opens up several more options, enabling you to customize the invoice to fit your business's specific needs. Finally, to create a recurring invoice, look for the option labeled Create Recurring Invoices. Clicking on this option will guide you through the setup process. Here you can determine the frequency of the invoices, specify client details, and finalize all necessary billing information. Be sure to double-check all entries for accuracy. Remember, recurring invoices automate a big part of your billing process, so setting them up correctly at the start will save you time and potential confusion later. There you have it. You've now gone through the process of creating a recurring invoice on HubSpot step by step. This feature can be incredibly useful for managing your business finances effectively. By using the recurring invoices feature, you can streamline your invoicing process and focus more on the other aspects of growing your business. If you ever get stuck or want to revisit any of these steps, you can always refer back to this guide or check out other resources provided in the HubSpot user guide. Thank you for watching and happy invoicing.